How to allow @mention notifications for snooze messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen and then open up the text messages app. Now from here, touch and hold on a text conversation. Then tap on the snooze button. In here, you want to go down to the bottom and tap on allow notifications for when you are mentioned. If it is disabled, make sure the checkbox is selected and then tap on snooze. Okay, so the settings is now in effects. Okay, now this features allows you to block out the noise of a busy group chat while ensuring you never miss an urgent message, because your phone will instantly unmute the alert and alert you the exact moment someone tags you directly using your @name tag. Okay, so this will allow you to always receive important messages if they mention you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.